It's the title holder of the largest flying aircraft in the world. Over 1 million pounds of gravity-defying heavy metal. A jet so huge that the Wright brothers' first flight could have taken place in the cargo bay. The 6 engines on this giant produce over 300,000 pounds of thrust, making it the world's most powerful aircraft. It's the one-of-a-kind Antonov 225. It's a gigantic jet with dimensions that defy belief. Fully loaded and fueled, this beast weighs more than 1.25 million pounds. It seems to defy gravity as well as it lifts that massive bulk into the skies. A jet so big, even the man in charge of flying it doubted it could get off the ground.
The first time I saw the aircraft in the assembly hangar, I said, it is not possible.
It
is not possible that this aircraft can be airborne.
Its wingspan reaches 290 feet. The diameter of the fuselage, 63 feet. It stands nearly 7 stories high. This aircraft is so immense, one tractor can't pull it alone. 2 heavy-duty tractors are required to tow it from the hangar to the airfield. These numbers add up to one simple distinction. The Antonov 225 is the largest jetliner in the world. This 6-engine beast is the heavyweight champion of the skies. Imagine a jet so gargantuan that it would barely squeeze between the goalposts on a football field. To put it in everyday perspective, the Antonov 225 dwarfs the most prolific jetliner in the world, the Boeing 737. And at 276 feet long, the 225 is 45 feet longer than the largest passenger jet, the Boeing 747-400. When it comes to lifting heavyweight cargo, only a few aircraft in the world can handle the loads. The Air Force's C-17 Globemaster hauls 85 tons. And the mighty C-5A Galaxy lumbers through the sky with up to 135 tons. But when it comes to megaloads, Antonov aircraft from Ukraine are in a class of their own. The Antonov 124, the 225's little brother, as if anything this big can be called little, packs a whopping 150 tons plus of cargo lifting might.
The 225 is the next order of magnitude. It has a 250-ton capacity, and the 225 is capable of carrying up to 250 tons externally on the roof.
Not only is the 225 the heavy lifting champ, the aircraft is immense. Its belly is so cavernous that 8 average-sized houses could be stacked inside. A jet so enormous, those who've stood in its massive shadow have dubbed it the aluminum overcast. But being the world's largest isn't the only thing that sets this Soviet-built jet apart. The Antonov 225 is rare. In fact, you're looking at the only one in existence today.